Hello guys, I want to make a clarification about Project of Hope. Nobody should do any face authentication for the grant if you don't want to pay what you did not loan. So if you want to go ahead and do it if you are free, but don't come to my DM for any complaint. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your guide to all you must know about online platforms. I am Joseph, and today we are revealing this platform that claims to be legit. Stick around as I walk you through the steps. Watch till the end. This is how the platform works. Okay, first of all, let's log into the platform. Alright, so let's log into the platform. Yeah, I just inputted my username and which is my email and my password. So we have logged in right into the password, into the dashboard of the platform. Okay, look at what we have seen on the dashboard. We see that it said Project Hope and Voice of Hope. All members must verify their real name authentication first before they can withdraw the 1.5 million naira subvention. Team reward can request to withdraw. Identity verification ends on the evening of May 26, 2025. If the deadline is exceeded, the account will be deactivated and will not be able to apply for or withdraw the subsidy again. Look at the verification processes, step 1, step 2, and step 3. So, as you can see, this is the platform, this is authentication, this is the welfare, this is the agent, and under the mine, you can see it. Okay, so let me show you their fake promises. They say each person you invite into the platform, you earn 500 naira. That means you will need 40 people to earn 20,000 naira to withdraw your minimum withdrawal. But this platform is scam, because the last time I withdrew, I didn't receive any payment. And when I chat their support system, and what they said was not like, I didn't like the request I got from them. You can see the money I earned from them, but my withdrawal was rejected. You can see rejected. So the platform is a total scam. Okay, it's a whole lot of time wasting. So let me show you the 1.5 subvention. Look at it. You click on it, you can see that it is approved. Okay, but before you withdraw this money, they ask you to do authentication. So before we do authentication, we have to click on this authentication to verify. You can see they said identity verification. You click on it. They said front of ID card, reverse of ID card, photo holding your ID card. You enter your name, you enter your ID number, you select your gender, you enter your phone number. Boom, you submit it. When you're done, you submit it. Guys, be wise. This platform is a total scam. Okay, it's a total scam. I've tested this platform. The last time I was even showing you the message I got from their support system after chatting them up that I've withdrawn for long and I've not received my withdrawal. They were claiming to say that some of my subordinates violated their rules. That was why they didn't pay me. It wasn't okay for me, but I had to just take it. Okay, let me show you. I withdrew twice. Like, I hit for 20k twice. This first 20k, it was not given to me. I have to hustle again and make the second 20k. It was not still given to me. You can see this was our chat. You can see they claim to be real, but they are fake people, bro. Don't waste your time on this and don't reveal your identity to them. There are scammers out there. So if you're interested, I guess you that are still watching this video to this moment, I know you are interested in my video. So kindly click on the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button to stay safety online and sign in to platform with confidence. Good. So before we proceed, I would like to show you a voice note from someone else that has also interacted with this platform. So kindly listen to the voice note below. Stay till the end. After the voice note, I will also show you a video of VDM concerning what he said about using someone's name to collect loan. Okay, so kindly listen to the voice note below.
Guys, this free update, right? Normally, na free updates I promote them as. Then they said they will open up the button for grant application on the 25th. That was yesterday. So yesterday I logged in and noticed that they brought out investment part. Please, do not put your money there. minimum there na 50k. If you carry am put and you near my DM, I go send ogun give you. Don't put your money there. Even if you want to do anything, carry your money, go add link, go sit down there. If you put money for this platform, DM me and you go get serious issues. Do not put your money there. If you can refer, keep referring. Withdraw your referral commission. The free withdrawal. Just dey do that one. No put money there. I don't talk my own.
Now that you're done listening to the voice note, listen to what VDM said about using someone's NIN to get a loan.
A COVID-19 loan, and some of all these people, they will go to like different local governments, collect their NIN, tell them that they want to give them money for loan, but they will not use those NIN to later go and be collecting loan on their behalf, and they'll be the one to pay, you know.
That's it for today's video. If you found value in the video, kindly comment below. For more tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for weekly videos. This is I am Joseph, reminding you to stay smart and secure online. See you next time.